Hello students, this is the second class of computer science students of class 11. Now in this class we will start with De Morgan's law, what we have discussed in the previous class. So what was our De Morgan's law? De Morgan's law was A dot B whole bar, that means A into B whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. And A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar into B bar, where into stands for AND gate, plus stands for OR gate, and complement stands for NOT gate. I think it is clear, it is discussed in your previous video. If you haven't watched the previous video, then I will refer you. Please watch the previous video once, then after start with this video. Now let us prove the right hand side of this equation with the left hand side. So what we will do, we will calculate the truth table. So here again the input are two only, A and B. So the input combination will be 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So first we will try to calculate A into B whole bar. Then after we will try to calculate A bar plus B bar. Then after we will check whether the result of these two are same or not. If both the result of left hand side and right hand side are same, then we can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now let us calculate A into B whole bar. Now what we will do, we will calculate the value of A into B. Now A into B means I will multiply 0 0. So 0 into 0 will give you 0, 0 into 1 will give you 0, 1 into 0 will give you 0 and 1 into 1 will give you 1. As AND gate give the output 1 only if all the inputs are 1. Now A into B whole bar. So whole bar means exactly opposite of the A into B. So in A into B I have got 0 0 0 1. So A into B whole bar will give you 1 1 1 and 0. So the value of left hand side is 1 1 1 and 0. Now let's go to the right hand side. Here it is A bar plus B bar. So A is 0 0 1 1, B is 0 1 0 1. So I will calculate A bar. So the value of A bar will be 1 1 0 0, just the opposite of A. And the value of B bar will be opposite of B, which is 1 0 1 0. Done. Now I will add the value of A bar with B bar. So 1 plus 1 will give you output 1. 1 plus 0 will give you the output 1. 0 plus 1 will give you the output 1. And 0 plus 0 will give you the output 0. Now you check, the left hand side is giving you the output 1 1 1 0 and the right hand side also giving you the output 1 1 1 0. So both the left hand side and right hand side are same. So I can conclude that this De Morgan's law first equation is proved. Now let's go to the second equation. I think you can do this by yourself, but still I have solved this in this notes. Now, excuse me. Now the equation is A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar into B bar. So A and B both the input are, here it is. So A and B the combination will be 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So what I will do, I will first calculate A plus B whole bar. Then after I will try to calculate A bar into B bar. Same way I have calculated A plus B, which will be 0 1 1 1. Then after the complement of A plus B whole bar will give you result as 1 0 0 0. Now I will calculate A bar and B bar same, and then after I will multiply. So the value of A bar will be 1 1 0 0 and the value of B bar will be 1 0 1 0. Then after I will try to multiply. So it will give you 1 0 0 0. So both the left hand side and right hand side of this equation are also same. So I can say that De Morgan's law are proved. So here if the question comes prove the De Morgan's law, then by using truth table you can prove it. Now let's go to the next topic, which is logic diagram with truth table. So the question will be coming like, draw the logic diagram for a equation this and draw the truth table too. Now here I have taken an example. The input is 1 into A into B, which is within a bracket, plus C. So I know that what I have to do, I have to first multiply A with B, then after I have to add C with the result of A into B. Clear? Now into means AND gate, plus means OR gate. So what I will do, I will apply a AND gate in between A and B. So I have three input line A, B and C. So I will apply AND gate in A and B. I have applied. Now with the result I will apply C. With the result I have applied C and the result will be OR because here is plus. So the result is A into B plus C. So now how will I draw the truth table? The most tricky part is how will I draw the truth table. So here see the input are 3. So A, B, C. So if I have 3 input line, the combination of input will be 2 to the power 3, which is 8. So the input will be 0 to 7. See, I have written 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the value of 0 is 0, 0, 0. Value of 1 is 0, 0, 1. The value of 2 is 1, 0, 1, 0. Value of 3 is 0, 1, 1. Like that way. 4 is 1, 0, 0. 5 is 1, 0, 1. 6 is 1, 1, 0. And 7 is 1, 1, 1. Now I am going to share the easiest way to draw this ABC. See, if you have 3 input, what I will do, I will write 4, 0, 4, 1. 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1. Now in C I will write 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Like, let me show you the two input table once again. It is a 2 input table. Here what we have done, I have taken 2, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. If it is 3 input, what I will do, I will just multiply this 2 with again 2. It will give you 4. It will be 4, 0, 4, 1. Then 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1 and again 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So if it is a 4 input table, the input line combination will be 2 to the power 4, which is actually equal to 16. So what I will do, I will write 8, 0, 8, 1. Then again 4, 0, 4, 1, 4, 0, 4, 1. Then 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1. Then again 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Let's see. It is a 4 input combination. So here I have written 8, 0, 8, 1, 4, 0, 4, 1, 4, 0, 4, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1. Again 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now, if it is 5 input, that means 2 to the power 5, that means 32 combination. That means I will write 16, 0, 16, 1, again 8, 0, 8, 1. Like that way I will continue writing. I will discuss these things again on the upcoming videos. Not to worry if you haven't understand. Let's just focus on if it is 3 input, then it will be 4, 0, 4, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now the first part what I have to do, I have to multiply A with B. So I can multiply A with B. It will give you 0 into 0 will give you 0. 0 into 0 will give you 0. 0 into 1 will give you 0. 0 into 1 will give you 0. 1 into 0 will give you 0. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1 and 1 into 1, 1. Now again with this result I will add C. So I will add C with this result. Now 0 plus 0 will give you 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 and 1, 1, 1. So this is the entire truth table of this given equation. Now the next equation is A into B whole bar into C plus D whole bar. So what I have to do, it is within a bracket. So I will first do this part, then I will do this part, then I will apply NOT gate, then after I will apply the next AND gate. Now A into B. So A and B I have applied AND gate and I got the result. Now I have applied the NOT gate over here. So I got A into B whole bar over there. Now C plus D. I will apply OR gate on C plus D. I will get C plus D. Then after I will apply a NOT gate so that I can get C plus D whole bar. I got A dot B whole bar and C plus D whole bar. Then after I will apply a AND gate on this two input line. So I will get A into B whole bar into C plus D whole bar. Now let's just focus on the truth table. So here it is a 4 input truth table. So as I have told, if it is 4 input, then I will write 8081, 4041, 4041, 2021, 2021, 2021, 2021, 0101, 0101, again like that way. Why? If it is 4 input, then the input combination will be 2 to the power 4, which is actually 16. So input will be 0 to 15. Just calculate the binary of 15, you will get 1111. So I have just written the binary of 0 to 15 over here. Simple. But this is not the way to remembering it like 8081, 8081, 4041. This is just the tricky part. I have discussed with you so that you can remember it while giving you the exam. But the process is, if it is 4 input, then the input combination will be 16. So you have to write the binary of 0 to 15. I think I am clear. So in 3 input, it was the binary combination of 0 to 7. As 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. So I will write the binary combination of 0 to 7. Now here it is 15, so I have written the binary combination of binary value of 0 to 15. I have written. Now the next part, what I have to do? I have to calculate A into B. I have calculated A into B. I have to calculate C plus D. I have calculated C plus D. Then after I have to calculate A into B whole bar, which I have calculated. Then I have to calculate A C plus D whole bar. I have calculated. Then I have to multiply these two. I think you can do this by yourself. If you have any confusion, you can comment in the comment box. Otherwise, just multiply A with B and C plus D. Then you will get this two. Then apply the NOT gate on A into B. Just the opposite you will get over here. And C plus D whole bar, you will get the opposite of this over here, and then after apply a AND gate on these two combination, you will get the result. I think it is clear to you all how to draw a circuit, how to draw a logic diagram with the truth table. Now it is your circuit diagram and with the truth table. Now here in this video I have given you few homework. This 4 is your homework. Please try to solve it, and if you can solve it, post the picture of your diagram in the comment box so that I can check and I'll give you the feedback. Thank you so much for watching this video, and the next section I will discuss about the next topic of your syllabus. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.